Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another amazing software for you. This one is called Ai StorePal, and in a nutshell, it's an application that instantly creates and publishes unlimited digital and physical product stores in multiple languages in just a matter of minutes. And this, you have the ability to make as much as $500 daily on autopilot. And it will definitely instantly also create premium eCom stores for different devices and languages with just a click. And with this, you can tap into 6.3 trillion web eCom industry, 78 billion Android industry, and 240 billion iOS industry with zero prior tech, designing, or marketing skills ever. So you can see, if you grab the concept, you will see that it helps you create shops like Shopify, Excel, and the rest of them, where you can sell products that you have from China or from any suppliers, or that imported. You know what it means. So this is an amazing product that's going live today, the 20th of October 2023, at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is Central European Time, 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. GMT. Okay, and it's by my friend Sandy Nayak. And of course, like I said, if you stick with me, I will show you the very software, and also play the video of this software in action so that you see how it works, and also show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are training courses, softwares, and explosive materials that are going to actually help you through your business online, and of course also show you the crazy and amazing affordable prices of this product so that you see how it goes. Now let's see exactly what the sales page says as benefits. It says that it is the first to market AI-based technology to create limitless Africa and digital e-com stores with top trending products. Some of these products are investigated first so that they know if the demand of this product is high and maybe small competition. So this is exactly what it's done by this application. It also helps you create Android and iOS store apps and tap into this immense opportunity. You know what that means? Being able to have your application there on Google Play Store, and of course app stores all over the world. And you can maximize affiliate commissions by promoting unlimited trending products from leading e-com platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, and others. And of course, you can create premium e-com stores that get high ranks on Google with no third-party dependence. And you have also the ability to stop creating age-old e-com stores that take tons of time. Let artificial intelligence take care of everything for you, which is exactly what this Ai StorePal is doing. It helps you also drive hordes of targeted traffic to your stores and make hordes of passive affiliate commissions on your behalf. And you say goodbye to manual work, use artificial intelligence to do everything for yourself. Though I don't like the idea of having artificial intelligence do everything for us, but we are in the AI revolution, so we have to adapt to be able to use these things and use our time and brain for probably some other things. And you can save up to 5,000 yearly and kick out dependency on third party completely. And you have the ability to say goodbye to doing everything yourself and hiring expensive freelancers. You get more exposure for your offers and dominate your competition at will. And it is beginner friendly 100%. And you have premium support around the clock. And of course, you have proven and tested technology that works smoothly in any niche of your choice. Okay, so that's about the benefits we have, which takes care of everything this product is about and what it's going to do for you, because it's all about you. So you can it creates things like menswear, mounting gears, logistics boxes. You have also baby care, you have glossaries, you have barbecue, you have scents, home decor, fashion, and a whole lots of others that you can see. Gaming and gifts, everything is possible to be done with this application. Okay, I'll leave the rest of the review in details to you when you arrive here, and at any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page, where you'll find a button like the one I'm going to locate now and see if we have anyone around, so that you see exactly how the button looks like. Definitely we have to go up for that After all, some of these things here are going to be things you are going to read yourself when you arrive. But let's see if we can locate any of those links that I want to show you, so that you see what you are going to get. Something like this. Any of these links scattered all over this page is going to show you exactly what this product is about and how you can get it on WaterPlus account of mine. And when you do, a copy will be yours. Now let us see, basically without wasting any more time, I'll leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you see how it works and how this is going to be for you. And of course, watch the very sales video of this product, so that you see some of the benefits you have, and then go through the sales page yourself. Now let's see the very members area, which is exactly this. This is the dashboard. This is the store analytics, where you analyze everything on automation system, how your shop is performing, how your products are doing, your visitors, your leads, and a lot of things, engagements, impressions. All these things are going to be taken care of on this button. And you have your orders, you have team, you have staff, you have POS, your POS, summation of your POS dealings and billings for this very product, and the shops you've created, and you have the shop, you have customers, you have plans, and you have settings. Okay, so this is about the bird's eye view of the members area, the dashboard. Now let us play the video of this product in action, so that you see if this is going to be for you.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
You make money online. Now this is the sales page where we are, but right now let's see the very pricing for this amazing Ai StorePal application that is actually going to help you create eCom stores and many other things online. Okay, you have the pricing for this as $17 for the front end. You have the OTO. This front end gives you access to this very dashboard. And of course, you have the OTO number 1, which is the upgrade number 1, which I believe is the unlimited version, which means you have everything basically unlimited. Some of those restrictions that you get on the front end will be taken care of as unlimited edition for this upgrade number 1, which goes for $37. You have also OTO number 2, which is for $47. You have OTO number 3, which I believe is the the done for you edition, goes for $67. Everything is done for you. Here you have I think the bundle here, which goes for $77. You have also OTO number 6, which is $47. Number 5 is $67, and number 4 basically definitely maybe the very done for you. I am not sure of that, but something like that for $97, or the reseller for $97. So with that said, you see you have something that's quite affordable for what it does, and this is going to definitely help you immensely to create income online passively and actively, and you know what that means. Now let's see the crazy bonuses that I have for you. Number one will be Latitude, which is a training course, a complete beginner-friendly training course on how you can trade on blockchain with NFTs using non-fungible tokens for digital ads. So that's what you have with this training course. You have Twittex number 2, which is how to crack the Twitter traffic and drive traffic from Twitter, which is now X, to any offer or link of your choice. You have also the Insurgency as number 3, which is a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, a complete beginner-friendly training course on mastering Facebook ads and probably other ads. You have number 4 as the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you access to free buyer traffic online from different sources. You have also this one, number 5, JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot system that is installed in your system that's going to drive traffic as long as you have internet connection from sources to any offer or link of your choice. You have also this number 6, the lockdown formula. This is the product that actually set me up online, digitally making money online, which is the lockdown formula from Jonah Armstrong and Brendan Merce and I believe Dawood Islam. So they created this lockdown formula during the lockdown of 2020, I guess, for the COVID-19, and since then I came across it, and it's been helping me to review this product that I'm reviewing to you now with all the little skills that I've been acquired, which are essentially making money for me. So this is a training course that is going to teach you as a beginner how to start online and make money and even scale your business to the next level. And also you have number 7, which is the Commission Toolbox, which has over 1,000 links of different capabilities online, like link shorteners, background removers, image editors, video editors, everything you can think of. You have a link that is going to give you access to that software that is going to help you. Some of them are free, most of them are free, but some are paid, but at least you have an idea of what it's going to do for you. Now, at any point you buy this product, by clicking that first link below in my description area, like I said, it's going to bring you to this sales page where you find a button that will give you access to this copy of this button will, if you click on it, it will take you to my Water Plus account where you buy the product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this. It has 2 buttons. The green one gives you access to Ai StorePal, and this blue one gives you access to this amazing, insane and mega bonuses that I have lined up for you, which you will never find anywhere else because they are still selling on Water Plus. Now you can imagine what you have with these ones. Now let's see if we can wrap this one up. I would recommend that you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. I will back to you in the next, but meanwhile, remember that this product is going live 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York, 5 p.m. Central European Time, and 4 p.m. GMT, and it's going to help you eventually create and publish unlimited digital and physical product stores in multiple languages, and it will do this in a matter of minutes, and you can make daily commissions using this very application. So it's going live today, the 20th of October. Go get it as soon as it is 5 p.m. GMT, 4 p.m. GMT, 5 p.m. Central European Time, and of course 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. I will leave you here. I'll come back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike, the MikeandBadewe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here.